Yeah, Veronica, some of those in need may be undocumented workers, but immigration officials say they're not going to detain anyone at evacuation sites or shelters. In a statement, ICE says, in consideration of these distressing circumstances, ICE will continue to suspend routine immigration enforcement operations in the areas affected by the fires, except in the event of a serious criminal presenting a public safety threat. For homes and businesses that were destroyed by the fires, disaster loans are now being offered. People affected can apply through the U.S. Small Business Administration. Cell phone service is still spotty. Companies like Verizon are using temporary microwave technology to help people connect. And disaster response teams have trailers to offer internet access, laptops, and phone charging. And SFPD is helping out too. They've been taking donated supplies like water, pet food, and paper towels to the North Bay. And for people who need to replace IDs lost in the fires, DMV is waiving fees at assistance centers in affected areas. In the newsroom, I'm Christin Ayers on the Night Beat.
And you too can help by joining efforts with the Red Cross.